Hi, I'm Sia, and I'm here to walk you through exactly how to apply to the Studio Experience program. It only takes a few minutes. Let's go step by step.
First, go to studioincubator.com. And click Login at the top. Go through the steps given here on the screen and read each one thoroughly before proceeding. If you're new here, click Sign Up. Just enter your name, email, and WhatsApp number. You'll get a code on WhatsApp. Enter it to verify, and you're logged in. That's it. Account created. Now you'll land on your dashboard. You'll see several cards. Each one explains a different part of the program. Take your time. Read through each one. All pages will be marked as completed once you've gone through them.
That's the whole process to Trace. Quick, simple, and honestly not as complicated as it sounds. If you get stuck anywhere, just message us on WhatsApp and we'll sort it out for you. See you in the studio.